Okay, today we'll be working on 1.482 order of operations. Once again, I'm going to go through and do some of these problems, and I'm going to have you do the rest of them. I'll give you the answers so you can kind of figure out which ones they are. I'm going to make sure I do number 3 and number 10, because those both have negative answers. I'd like to push you to the edge a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and why don't I just kind of ping pong down. I'll start with number 6 over here. All right, so order of operations, quick review. We've got PEMDAS or GEMDAS, whichever one you like. I'm okay with both. We'll just use that. Oops, we'll just use this as our little reference tool as we go through it as to what we need to do first. Okay, well, we got to go inside the parentheses or the grouping symbols. So parentheses are first. And inside the parentheses, we have to look, and we have multiplication and we have exponents. Exponents comes before multiplication, so we're going to do that first. So 8 times 10 minus 16, and that's me plus 2. We're still inside the parentheses, but now we have multiplication and subtraction. We'll do the multiplication first because multiplication comes first. So this would be 80 minus 16 plus 2. We're still inside the parentheses. 80 minus 16 is going to be 64. Plus 2, and now we just have the addition of 66. This is a 5-line problem with 66 as the answer. Okay, all right, jump over here and do number 2. Let's see. Actually, I'll just stay. I'll do the right side here, except for number 3 I want to do because that's negative. All right, so we have 2 sets of parentheses and an exponent on the outside. That's kind of weird. What are we going to do here? Well, let's start with the first set of parentheses and go inside it and do 12 minus 2. So we have 10. That's going to be squared plus 24 minus 8, and that's still inside parentheses. So leave the 10 squared. We have to just leave that. We have to do 24 minus 8, which is 16. So now we can do the parentheses, or now we can do the exponents, I'm sorry, which is 100 plus 16, or 116. That should be your answer for that one. Okay. Let's see, I didn't give you your answers up here. This one, your answer should be 34. Again, it's 5 lines. All of these are going to be 5-liners. Do them just like I'm doing them. This one here is going to be, answer is going to be 89. This is going to be 5 lines. Okay, this one down here, number 3, this is the negative one. So we have parentheses, so we'll do those parentheses first. So 50 minus 6 is 50 minus 25 minus 6 squared. Well, we have subtraction, and exponents. We do the exponents next. So 50 minus 25. Oops, let me slide up. I bet. 50 minus 25 minus 36. Okay, well, we have 2 subtractions here. So we're going to do this one first because we start from move left to right. So 50 minus 25 is 25. Minus 36, and if you put that into your calculator, or you think about it, if you have $25 and you spend 36, you actually have negative 11. Okay, this one over here, your answer is going to be 48, and this is going to be 5 lines. All right, let's just keep going down here. We'll do number 9 and number 10. All right. Straighten that out just a touch for you. Okay, well, inside there, we've got to go inside the parentheses first, and inside the parentheses we have multiplication, subtraction, exponents. According to PEMDAS, we have to do the exponents before we do multiplication, so we'll do exponents here. So this will be 7 times 4 minus 4 plus 5. Now I'll make one change here. I've got to, multiplication would be next. So again, I'm inside the parentheses. So 7 times 4, this is me. 28 minus 4, we're still inside the parentheses. 28 minus 4 is going to be 24 plus 5. This one's going to come out to be 29. Over on this side, your answer is going to be 24. It's again 5 lines. And this last one here is a negative 1, too. So let's see how this works. We've got to go inside the parentheses. So 2 times, well, 10 plus 2 is 12 minus 8 squared. So now we have multiplication, subtraction, and exponents. So it says exponents come first. So 2 times 12 minus 64. Now we have multiplication and subtraction. We do multiplication first. So 2 times 12 is 24 minus 64. And you can put that in your calculator, but if you kind of think about it, if you have $24 and you spend $64, you're actually going to owe $40. So that'll be a negative 40. Over on this side, you're going to have 54 is going to be your answer. And again, 5 lines. So make sure you do it step by step. That's the only way I'll accept it. Sorry to be hardcore on it, but that's just the way the 7th grade teachers are, and I'm getting you ready for that. All right? Take care. Thanks for listening.